Introduction to Spaced Repetition in Clozemaster.
Clozemaster uses spaced repetition to help you remember words and phrases more effectively. By reviewing information at carefully planned intervals, you reinforce your memory just before you're likely to forget. Customizing your review schedule in Clozemaster lets you maximize long-term retention and personalizes your language learning journey for greater results.
Accessing review schedule settings.
To customize your review schedule, first log into Clozemaster and navigate to your settings. Look for options like spaced repetition, SRS settings, or review intervals. These options are usually found in your account preferences or within the review section of your language course. Adjusting these settings determines how often words appear for review.
Choosing the right review intervals.
Experiment with different intervals to fit your memory and learning pace. Beginners may benefit from shorter review gaps, like reviewing new words after 1 day, then 3 days, and so on. Advanced learners might prefer longer intervals. Clozemaster lets you customize these cycles. Find a balance that challenges you without feeling overwhelming.
Managing difficult words.
If certain words are especially tricky, Clozemaster offers options to review them more frequently. Mark these words as difficult or use the favorite feature if available. Adjust settings so challenging vocabulary comes up sooner in your review queue, reinforcing them until they stick in your long-term memory.
Tracking progress and making adjustments.
Regularly check your progress stats in Clozemaster to see which words you're mastering and which need more review. If you notice consistent mistakes, consider shortening review intervals for those items. Customizing and updating your review schedule ensures ongoing improvement and helps you retain vocabulary for the long term.